When we talk about computer vision, it might sound a bit futuristic, like AI reading your mind, but it's actually a fascinating field shaping our world today. So, what is computer vision? It's a branch of artificial intelligence that trains computers to interpret and understand visual information, just like our eyes do. Think of it as teaching machines to see. By processing images and video, computers can identify objects, recognize people, and even detect emotions. Imagine your smartphone unlocking by recognizing your face. Yep, that's computer vision at work. Now, let's explore the scary yet intriguing possibilities. Advanced computer vision could predict our actions or preferences based on subtle cues like facial expressions or body language. This idea, while exciting, raises questions about privacy and the ethical use of technology. The future of computer vision is vast, impacting sectors from healthcare with precise medical imaging to autonomous vehicles navigating complex roads. But with great power comes great responsibility. Ensuring that these technologies are used ethically is crucial as we move forward. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the world of computer vision. If you found this intriguing, like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Until next time, keep envisioning the future.